Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best offset smokers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Yoder Smoker's 20 inches loaded Wichita offset smoker. If you don't want to cut any corners and get an offset smoker that's got it all, the loaded Wichita by Yoder Smokers is top-notch. It's made in the US with a lifetime warranty, crafted from 1/4 pipe and plate steel with a nice 1,268 square inches of cooking space split over 2 levels plus the firebox grate. It's a huge step up from cheaper offsets, including the Oklahoma Joe's Highland, and gives you a forever smoker that you can truly master. Everything about the loaded Wichita is well thought out and top quality. The heavier gauge steel provides better heat retention and insulation, making temperature control a whole lot easier than on thinner, draftier offsets. The welds are strong. The dampers move easily and hold in place so you can dial in the heat to exactly where you want it. Even the baffle plate is better designed with smaller holes near the firebox and larger ones further away to help the heat transfer evenly from end to end, which you can check with the 2 built-in thermometers that do measure accurately. There's also an integrated probe port to feed meat thermometer wires through without getting damaged. The slide-out top rack can be removed if you're cooking something extra tall like a small pig. Included in the price, you do get a charcoal grate to grill and sear in the firebox. But, if you want to convert the large cooking chamber to a grill, you do need to grab the extra charcoal grate to do so. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Yoder Smoker's 26 inches Cimarron offset smoker. For a true smoking enthusiast who's got the budget to go for that extra something special, check out the Yoder Simmeron. This thing is legit a competition quality offset smoker that's so big you can use it for catering. But also, how good would it look set up in any backyard? I mean, there's no mucking around with the Simmeron. It's the real deal and there's absolutely no denying it. Made from 1/4 thick steel with an insulated firebox for better winter performance, fuel efficiency, and protection against paint flaking. The main cooking chamber has 2,225 square inches of cooking space split over 2 grates. It's more than large enough to batch cook your latest hunt, or be the one to cook restaurant-quality barbecue for quite a crowd. No corners have been cut when it comes to building one of these smokers. Made in the USA and set into an easy-to-move, competition cart, we feel that the price is actually very reasonable for the craftsmanship you're getting. Look after your Simmeron properly and it's something you can hand down along with your secrets to your kids and they'll want it too. This thing is impressive. With 2 highly accurate temperature gauges positioned at opposite ends of the smoker, and Yoder's patented heat management system that helps you to get even temperatures across the pit, this smoker isn't hands-off, but it's well set up for perfect results. At number 3, we have the Meadow Creek SQ36. For a US-made, high-quality offset smoker that's cheaper and better value than the rest, the Meadow Creek SQ36 is unbeatable. Made to order in New Holland, Pennsylvania by a family-owned business, you won't find anything that's anywhere near this solid or sturdy in your generic lineup of hardware store offset smokers. You're looking at 13-gauge, painted steel with stainless steel racks with a heavy-duty firebox rack to give it a tank-like feel. The slide-out ash pan plus ball valve drain make cleanup really easy. And, the calibratable thermometer is a useful step above the rest that means you won't ever be complaining that the barbecue isn't reading right. The 507 square inch capacity isn't huge, but it's big enough to cook 2 whole briskets or 4 pork butts at once. And, if you were dreaming of bigger, there's an optional second rack you can get that takes the total cooking real estate up to a generous 950 square inches. The temperature control on the SQ36 is good and easy. Like all offsets, you'll still need time to learn about how to control the fire and where to set your vents. But the quality is there for you to master, and the smoke distribution is great thanks to Meadow Creek's smoke distributor panel. Another thing worth mentioning about this one is that you don't need a lot of charcoal for low and slow cooking. I'd recommend starting with maybe a half chimney full of coals instead of loading it up. This should give you a good long run for smoking. At number 2, we have the Dino Glow DGO1890BDCD wide body vertical offset charcoal smoker. For an absolutely huge cooking capacity for a really low price, the Dino Glow wide body vertical offset smoker lets you cook your heart out without the big investment. This thing isn't very well made. Some of the firebox paint will flake off probably within the first few cooks, and it will leak a bit of smoke. But the leakage is totally alright by our standards. It won't ruin your cook. You can smoke some really great food in here. In terms of usability, the Dino Glow gets up to temperature pretty quickly. You've got 2 vents through which to adjust the temperature, one on the firebox and one on the chimney. There's little indents on the firebox vent which can make it pop out and move slightly, which is a bit annoying. Because the metal is so thin, you will need to be quite hands to manage the temperature on this thing, especially in the cold, and I wouldn't rely on the built-in thermometer to give you an accurate reading. Grab a meat thermometer, even a cheap one that we've tried and tested, and it'll help you dial in the heat for really good meat. We do like that this Dino Glow comes with a porcelain enameled charcoal box in the firebox. This holds your charcoal that much tighter for a better burn, and it's durable enough to withstand the heat. We do find that on long smokes, we have to empty the ash from the firebox mid-cook. It's a bit annoying, but we've got a metal bucket we sit nearby to dump the hot ashes so they don't clog up the airflow, making it hard to hit a good temperature. Nevertheless, you've got an absolutely huge 1,890 square inches of cooking space to play around with. And we love how it's set out on 6 easy-to-pull-out racks. This wide-body version also comes with a rib rack and sausage hanger. And finally, at number 1, we have the Oklahoma Joe's Highland Offset Smoker. The Oklahoma Joe's Highland Offset Smoker isn't listed as our best overall because it is the best. Instead, we've given it the number 1 spot because for most people, this smoker gives the best mix of quality, usability, and price that's out there. Crafted from heavy-gauge steel, this unit gives you a sizable 619 square inches of cooking racks in the main chamber. And, while that's more than enough for a whole brisket and a few pork butts, it's not so much that it's hard to heat. Maintaining a steady temperature is doable with the multiple, quality dampers which are easy to adjust. And, although it will leak a bit of smoke, we don't think it's significant enough to affect the results. In cold weather, we do find that the Highland does need considerably more fuel to maintain a good temperature than during summer. And, you'll need to be out there checking on it more often. The steel just isn't thick enough to retain a good amount of heat. Still, it is workable, and for the price, really not a bad compromise. The removable front shelf is handy, the cool touch handles work well, and the heavy-duty cart makes it easy to wheel this smoker around by yourself. In the offset firebox, you'll also find an additional 281 square inches of space to grill over the coals. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.